Alright, so let's talk about saving cash.
Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about SafemoonCash and how to purchase it from your favorite pancake swap into your trust wallet. So we're going to be talking about SafeMoon swap and how to purchase it. Alright, from through Binance then to your trust wallet. So let's just dive right into the video right now.
For some time now, I've made reviews about some coins and how to swap them and how not to swap them. All right, and SafemoonCash is not exceptional using the same swapping processes. All right, so today let's look at the SafemoonCash. All right, and we can by now you also have this coin market cap for your analysis and checkout. All right, and I believe SafemoonCash being the 9th of August 2021, SafemoonCash was among the top trending coins. All right, okay, today it increased reasonably atop the top among the top gainers. All right, so for the past 7 days it has increased by 103%, while for the past 24 hours it has increased by 68%, and for the past 30 days it has increased by 68, it has gone down by 63%. All right, so why do i why do I look at this coin? Like, why do I make it start reasoning with it? I believe y'all can look at this portfolio. You can go there to read about it. All right, let's go to the Explorer section. Now, SafemoonCash is just like a coin that, according to what we can see there, SafemoonCash is a rock-proof, ownership renounced, community-driven project that will bring rivalry to the SafeMoon with positive vibes only. Bitcoin Cash reached an all-time high of 0.25 Bitcoin. Our first goal is for SafeMoon Cash to reach 25% of SafeMoon's peak market capitalization. We are fully committed and determined to make this happen. All right, you all see the way Bitcoin Cash mimic Bitcoin is the same way that the people behind this project are trying to make SafeMoon Cash go alongside Bitcoin Cash and all of that. And well, it looks reasonable. All right, and let's look at the its Explorer and see. Well, you can get this coin on Binance on BSCAN, that is on Binance Smart Chain. This coin is actually on Binance Smart Chain, and scrolling down you can see list of transactions. There are a whole lot of transactions that has occurred 30 minutes ago, 30 seconds, 20, 39 seconds, and over. That people are working on this coin, people are transacting with this coin, and the holder so far is about 281,000 holders, which is reasonable. All right, which is reasonable. And let's look at it. All right, we have the on pancake swap being the first address there. We have the first holding is about 19.56%, followed by 2%, and then the rest are just 0.0.0.0.0.0 whatever percentage that those may be. And this which makes it reasonable because for some reasons there are no you we cannot say there are the whales there are no whales that will influence this coin as regards to the holdings. You can see the first two through three holdings is not even up to 50%, and even it's not even up to 50%, so which makes it very good coin to purchase or put money into. All right, which makes it very good coin to purchase and put a money into. So this is I always say this isn't a financial advice. All right, if you're putting your money into any coin or you're purchasing any coin, it's solely at your own very risk. So make sure whatever investment you're making, you're totally in control of it. All right, so you can check out their website from here. SafeMoon, I believe what they have is Telegram channel. All right, this their website link links to Telegram channel. So for my own self, I actually got it some few weeks ago, like about a week or two ago, and then I got it at the rate of I got about at the rate of let's say $20. It was about $20 worth, which was about a trillion plus. But now it's about uh, it's added by about extra $13. All right, so we're still watching, and remember, we are just trying to hold it for the longest as long as we can. All right. So let me know if you think this is if you're invested your money into this coin, and if you're finding it like a good project, just same way as I am. Okay. So see y'all in my next video.